In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off message requests on Instagram. Sometimes you don't want to get messages coming through on Instagram from people you don't know. So I'm going to show you how to turn that off. Go ahead and go to your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on the hamburger menu in the top right and then tap on settings. In here, what you want to do is go to your privacy settings, and then what you want to go to is message controls. Now in here where it says your followers on Instagram or others on Instagram, just adjust this accordingly to don't receive message requests, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Peace.